Hello everybody, this is Ed and today we're checking out a dash cam from GKU. This is the D600Pro. So the seller sent me this camera to check out, and all in all it works pretty good. And the price is unbelievable. I mean, right now they're going for $89.99 on Amazon. And then you might catch a sale, and I've seen them all the way down to $61. That's a really good price for this camera. Has everything that you need to get started, straight plug and play, and you have a nice app. Pretty good. Now, it's not going to compete with your high end, like the video that I have about the $400 radar detector that I reviewed, but it does what it's supposed to do, and I'm really impressed at that price point. What didn't come in the box was a CPL filter for your front camera. That will reduce a lot of the glare that you're seeing right now. So some of the specs on this thing, you have a dash cam front and rear, 4K plus 1080p, 5.8 gigahertz, Wi-Fi, and GPS. To start with, you have a user manual. So you have some electrostatic stickers, a contact card from the seller, front camera. Here's your rear camera right here. Car socket plug here. Trim tool. We have some cable clips. So you have an Allen wrench right here. It comes with a micro SD card, and you have some extra adhesives. Appreciate that. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it. All right, so I am in my vehicle trying to figure out where I'm going to put this camera. I'm thinking I'm gonna put it right here. I think that's a good place for it. It's gonna be out the way, put it a little high right here. Should be okay right here, right up in here. All right, so I have the camera set up in my vehicle, and as you can see, I got it right behind my rear view mirror, and I only have the front so far, but what I did is that I ran the wire up along the top and then came back around. See, I have it plugged in right here, and as you can see, the wires here. Appreciate this tool here. This helped out a lot. Prying the molding out the way. All right, I have the rear dash cam set up, and I chose this area because of the defroster lines. I needed to get the camera in between those lines, and I think I was able to do that. And they do give you a good amount of wire, so if I wanted to, I could take this out of here and reinstall it in my SUV, and I'll have plenty of wire for that. So, all right, so I have the front and rear camera connected.
Start recording. Wi-Fi connected.
So the specs on this camera while we do this ride along, checking out how this camera performs. So the resolution on these cameras are 4K 30 FPS and 1080p 30 FPS dual resolution. It's equipped with super night vision, ultra large f1.8 aperture, and WDR technology. This camera also has loop recording and emergency lock for added safety. So this camera can continue recording even when the memory card is full with loop recording function. It also has a G sensor for collision detection. And when a collision is detected, it will lock and save that footage. In the package, it comes with a 64 gig micro SD card, but can support up to 250 gig. This camera also has two 24, 48, 72 hour parking modes. The first one is collision detection mode, activates automatically, recording a 30-second emergency video upon detecting a collision while parked. The second one is time-lapse recording mode, continues recording after the engine is off, using low power consumption by capturing 1, 2, and 5 frames per second. Use of these features require a hardware kit not included in this package. Now here is the rear camera, and just to let you know that the back window is tinted. That's why the color looks like this. It's peering out of a tinted window. Here we have night driving with this camera. Here is the app for this camera, and I'm going to be flipping between the map and the speed indicator. But this is a great app, has everything you need to supplement this camera, from looking at previous footage, from stopping the recording, to muting the mic, and to take a snapshot, and to go into your settings. You are able to switch between the front camera and the rear camera with this app. All in all, really like this app. It's very simple and easy to use. So if you're on a budget and still want a dash cam that performs well, this is a great option. The image quality is impressive, the app is user-friendly, and it's got all the essential features you need. If you're looking for reliable protection on the road without breaking the bank, check this one out.